Hey guys, this is a Mega X mini tutorial. As you see, I've already removed my client's lashes, old lashes, washed them, and now I'm priming. I'm still very new at lashing. I've been lashing for about 2 months. I got certified April 24th, but I still want to, show you guys my progress and put out content while doing so. All about my money, don't play me for no fool. I'm using Lash iPads. They're really good. Get them from Amazon. And Care sensitive tape. I really like this tape. It comes off easily and it doesn't irritate my client's skin. Right now I'm adding the spikes. I went from 16 to 22, and my spikes are thinner in the inner corners, and as I get towards the outer corners they become larger. Remember it was RP Quincy, go through hard times, got my heart in my pocket, I can't take no more losses, no losses. Got my mind confused, give them the blue, left them with no clue, what the way I do it, shawty, yeah, she get to me, got my mind gone, taking these drugs, popping these downers, don't know what to do, all about my money, don't play me for no fool, shawty, yeah, she cute, like the way she move, young and kicking shit, busting moves, walking through the beach, make sure you're isolating really good and practicing direction as much as possible. While making my fans, I use the pinch method. If you want a detailed video on how I make my fans, just like, comment, and subscribe, and I would definitely give you that. The pinch method was the easiest for me to learn. I couldn't learn anything else to make fans, but it was really easy. And right here I am sealing my client's lashes. I wash, prime, and seal at every appointment. It really helps with retention. I feel like my clients come back with most of their lashes on at their 2-week appointment. And that's it for this video. If you want more detailed content, just like, comment, and subscribe. I'll gladly give it to you guys.